What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release June 1st. But before we get into the main attraction, just wanted to take a quick look at some more upcoming Jordan releases. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 Easter. This one right here has a release date of May 27th. If you want to pick these joints up, you can do so. Head over to the website, fineline1721.com. They are shipping out right now as we speak. I also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. Next up is the Air Jordan Retro 5 Green Bean. This one is supposed to be releasing on May 28th. It is shipping now on fineline1721.com. So if you want to pick you up a pair early, you can head over to the website and shop right now. If you want to check out the full review on the Green Bean Retro 5, I do have a video up live on the channel. And here we have a quick honorable mention. We have the Air Jordan Retro 4 Military Black. This one right here dropped May 21st. As we all know, this was definitely one of the hotter releases of 2022. So if you missed out on a pair of these joints and you still in the market, you can head over to the website, fineline1721.com. I do have pairs still available and shipping out as soon as possible. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. As you can see here, we have the standard Air Jordan box, all black with the gold Jumpman logo. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 12 Retro White University Blue. As you can see, this is a 7Y because this is a grade school exclusive. Now let's flip this box open, peel this paper back, and let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this grade school exclusive. Let's go ahead and get right into the top-down view of the shoe. As you can see, we have a Graphic-Centric sock liner, and that design element is also placed behind the tongue. We have logos of hearts, grapes, stars, diamonds, a trophy, and if I'm not mistaken, it looks like this might be a Gatorade bottle. Going down the tongue of the shoe, got the University Blue Jumpman, 2-3 going down the tongue, University Blue laces, and University Blue lace holders on each side. Going around to the lateral side of the shoe, all white leather uppers, and the University Blue mudguard replaces the normal texture with just a smooth piece of leather. More of these graphic logos right here on the back of the shoe, which is the heart, the trophy, and the Gatorade bottle. We have the University Blue heel tab with the white Jordan logos and branding sitting on the top, white 2-3 as well, and a clean quality inspired by the greatest player ever. The medial side of the shoe is the same as the lateral side. The only difference is there is no graphic logos right here on the heel. Taking a look at the bottom of the shoe, we have the University Blue bottom, black and white carbon fiber, and yellow herringbone tractions on the toe and the heel. And right here at the toe cap, the yellow Jumpman logo sitting underneath it. So that about wraps it up for the quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 12 grade school exclusive. To me personally, it's just a nice, clean, overall looking shoe. They should have made this a men's shoe or a family size shoe, only because if you take away these little logos and everything like that, it definitely gives you the vibe of a Denver Nugget Carmelo PE. So if you're in the market for yourself, if you wear a grade school size, or you want to pick them up for your lady or your kid, you can head over to the website, fineline1721.com. They are shipping out ahead of the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.